Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Realme phone Bluetooth setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you disconnect your earphones. As you have connected any guys earphone with your Realme phone and guys you want to disconnect guys, you don't want to use this earphone, so guys you can disconnect. And guys now let's see how to disconnect it. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys, you will have to guys click on guys your phone setting to disconnect it. So as you can see this type of setting, then guys click on guys your Bluetooth setting. And friends, you can see guys we have connected this U1 CL20 and guys we want to disconnect. So how can we disconnect it? So you can see guys right side guys this icon, so guys tap here and guys you can see unpair and disconnect option. So yes friends, we want to disconnect, so I will click on disconnect option. So by this earphone will disconnect and guys we will off it. So like that guys you can disconnect guys your earphone with your Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect earphone to our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.